Every May, all of Canada celebrates the annual Victoria Day, commemorating the birthday of Queen Victoria and her role as the former sovereign of Canada. On this day, people set off fireworks to celebrate the holiday and welcome the summer season. On the evening of May 18th, Eddie Chan, a 51-year-old resident of Markham, hosted a spectacular fireworks show. This event took place at the plaza of Bayview Glen Alliance Church and attracted nearly 1,000 spectators from the surrounding community, especially children. The fireworks illuminated the night sky with brilliant colors, creating a stunning visual display. Several years ago, Eddie Chan lost his mother to cancer. To honor her memory, he began organizing fireworks shows. His passion for fireworks dates back to his childhood. In his grief, he decided to commemorate his mother through this medium. Since then, he has held a fireworks display every Victoria Day to raise funds for cancer research. Eddie Chan not only obtained a fireworks display assistant license, but also participated in designing many large-scale fireworks shows, such as the Canada Day fireworks at Ashbridges Bay and the New Year's Eve fireworks at Nathan Phillips Square. In addition to his work with fireworks, Eddie Chan is also a photographer. He enjoys capturing beautiful sunsets, nighttime cityscapes, perfect light trails, and breathtaking shots of the Milky Way. His photography is well received and demonstrates his unique understanding of light and beauty.
Coming back next year? Okay, fill that donation box and come back next year. Thank you for coming. Thank you for the crew. Julie, thank you. Love you.
Eddie Chan's fireworks show is not only a heartfelt tribute to his mother, but also a testament to his love and dedication to the art of fireworks. Through his vibrant displays, he brings joy and beauty to the community, making it a highlight of the Victoria Day celebrations.